G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me, and today is a very special day. I'm so excited to finally share this with you. My first ever book, 100 Top Crops You Can Grow, is done and ready for pre-order. So before I tell you what this book is about and what's in it, you can purchase it now, pre-order. Shipping starts in August and September, depending on where you live. It can be shipped all around the world. The link's below in the description and also in the comments section. Be one of the first to get it without delay. Even if I do say so myself, I think this is a really special thing. It's taken 2 years to write, from woe to go. I put my heart and soul into writing this 260 plus page epic thing, and I hope that you're gonna really enjoy it. I've been making gardening videos for over a decade now, and one question I get asked all the time is, what should I grow? So I decided to answer that in the most complete way I could, with a book full of my top 100 things that I think you should grow in the same style as a lot of my videos. Now, this isn't just a list, it's everything I've learned. There's a bit of my story, how to plan and build your own food garden, tips on hugelkultur, raised beds, flowers in the veggie patch. And then the big part is, of course, the 100 top crops you can grow, divided into 5 different sections in groups of 20. So top 20 vegetables you can grow, top 20 herbs and spices, top 20 fruits and fruitables. That's a new one. And I explain what a fruitable is in the book. You're gonna have to read it. Top 20 most unusual crops that I grow and I love growing. And then there's the controversial top 20 crops that I grew so you don't have to. And there's a lot of controversial picks in there as well. And I'd be interested to find out what the feedback is and what you think of them as well. I even had help from a good friend and accredited dietitian, Kate DePrimer, who added her nutritional expertise to explain why these crops are good for you too. So these top crops were selected not just because I like them and they're good to grow, but also because they are packed with nutrients and good for you. So it's not just all about growing food, it's about growing better food. Whether you're just starting out or you've been growing for years, this book is packed with practical tips, inspiration, and some straight talk, because I truly believe that growing your own food is the most rewarding, healthy, and empowering thing you can do, especially these days with the cost of living, with not knowing what they're feeding us, with all this processed junk food. We're only just at the tip of the iceberg. Things are starting to come out now, and I just know more people are going to start growing their own food and start sourcing food where they know for sure what's in it and where it comes from. And this is what this book is about. It helps people to do that. Crikey, it's a windy day today. The wind just dropped off and some sun has come out. It's just like God is shining on me. Maybe the book. So if you'd like to grab a copy, the link is in the description and the comments section below. I'll be sending out newsletters as well, and I'll be yelling this from the top of the veggie garden quite a bit, so you won't be able to miss it. That's for sure. Like I said, a lot of work's gone into it, and I'm very proud of it, and I'd like to thank all of you for sort of putting me into this position where I was able to write such a book. Without your support over the years, I've been doing YouTube for 14 years, gardening and self-sufficiency, and without all of that continued support, I don't think I would have been able to do this. So I genuinely do hope that you love the book as much as I do. This project has been one of the best projects that I've ever done in my life, and I just want to share it as much as possible, of course. If you do get a copy, make sure you tell me what you think about it. I hope it's positive. Do some reviews and stuff like that. Share it around. And, well, what can I say? Let's get into it, or let's get reading it. Cheers. Here comes that wind again.